Hello, hi, good morning all. Today's class we will discuss about sense organs. So, what are sense organs or how a sense will work in our body? Basically, what is a sense? A sense is an ability of an organism which can also be called a physiological capacity that provides data for perception. And we all know that we have different senses to sense, and each senses are carried out by various organs and a superior organ for it. Those are also called as sense organs. So what are the different sense organs in our body? We have 5 sense organs which are listed. Those are, we have 5 sense organs in our body. They are the eye, the ear, the nose, tongue and skin. Eye. So what is an eye? An eye is an organ that are specialized for sight. There may be as simple as proteins or cells which can tell light from darkness. And coming to ears, so basic definition for ear is the organ found in animals which is designed to perceive sounds. The human ear picks up and interprets high frequency vibrations of air, while the sound sensing organs of aquatic organisms or animals are designed to pick up high frequency vibrations in water. Coming to the nose, so we all know what is the importance of nose and how the nose works. So nose, biologically, if you determine or define it, it is a midline that is projected from the face. The purpose of the nose is to warm, clean and humidify the air that a person breathes in and out. In addition to this, it helps a person to smell and taste. That is also called as olfaction. So, and we all know about the other sense organ in the earlier classes, that is tongue. So what is a tongue? A tongue is a flexible muscular organ situated in the floor of the oral cavity. It is primarily used as the main organ of taste and for moving food, in swallowing it, in producing sound and modifying the sound, in speech and for capturing food. Finally, but not the least, the skin. Skin is the outermost protective covering of an organism in most animals. It is the tissue that covers their body and protects them from external factors such as UV radiations, temperature, and from infectious agents. Scientists from ancient times wondered about senses. Nearly 2300 years ago, Plato and then Aristotle mentioned the 5 senses of human beings, among which the sense of touch was considered the most important. In ancient Indian and Chinese medical documents also, mentioning of senses have been found. Thereafter, for over 1000 years, no document of senses have been found. It was Albertus Magnus, a bishop of a church of Italy, a keen observer of nature and a lover of science, who followed Aristotle's ideas. It was in 17th century the physiology of sensation was studied in great detail, as this was the prime time when several instruments were being invented to aid the unaided eye to observe more closely. Johannes Kepler, in 1600 AD, well known for his contributions in astronomy regarding the rotation and revolution of the earth, he established the role of eye as a sense. Scientists in the recent years have uncovered new sights into how our senses work and all the amazing fascinating works they can do, whether we are aware of them or not. The electrochemical basis of transmission of nerve signals and functions of specific areas in the brain involved in sensations are also better understood. The number of senses from Aristotelian era to the 19th century stands as 5, while in the modern era this number signifies the sense organs in our body. Though it is classically considered that humans have 5 sense organs, but in fact we have more. We have one for touch, dedicated to pressure, another for heat and cold, and yet another for vibration and texture, and that's just one of our traditional sense of touch. Our senses have several roles to play in our daily day-to-day. Our senses helps us to locate mates, seek shelter, and recognize our friends. Incidentally, our senses also give us the opportunity to find pleasure in music, art, architecture, athletics, or pleasure, etc. Usually, we have strong emotional ties to someone, and when he or she experiences pain, so do we. Not just emotional ties, we could be influenced by situations not directly related to us and yet feel the pain. Driver occurs due to the senses, and this accomplishes elegantly with a simple idea of sensory system. Our sensory impressions of the world involves nerve signals. These play a very important role in the way we react or respond to various stimuli or even to same stimuli at different situations. For example, generation of flavor preferences by our brain is usually based on what our body needs.